Oh, I like this little guy. I found him. He was like, ooh, he just fucked me up a little. Not very cool, cat. Hey, you want to fuck around? Should I do it? Should I do it? Should I? He's just a stray alley cat. I could probably get away with it. Should I fucking do it? Ugh. By the power of Grayskull. No, I'm just kidding. That's horrible. I love this little kitty kitty. I don't give a fuck if it bites me or scratches. I don't believe in hurting things. Not unless they're trying to, kill your ass.